Hi everyone, my name is Mohammed, founder of Ring to Cloud Technologies, and in today's video, I'm going to review Monster Voip. As more people are working from home, legacy phone services is not going to be very helpful. So you need a voice over IP phone system, and let me show you how the Monster can be very helpful in that regard. Let me get into the my account and show you the possibilities. Now, what you can see here is this is their online. You go here from your account, but now what you can do, you can actually call people directly from your desktop app. I'm calling my number. So when you do it, there will be a pop-up, and this will be your phone system. So I'm calling now.
Thank you for calling Ring2 Cloud Technologies LLC. If you know your party's extension, you may dial it at any time. For the operator, press 0 or stay on the line. For the dial by name directory, press 9. To repeat this menu, press the pound key.
So there's so many options that you can see here. You can add a call, you can switch the phone, you can transfer the
Your call
call.
has been forwarded to the voicemail for Muhammad A1. No one is available to take your call. At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording,
So you can see that it worked very well. The audio was good. So this is one way of how the voice over IP phone can be very helpful. There are so many features here that I will make some videos. In the meantime, if your business need to evaluate a new VoIP services, Ring to Cloud can be very helpful. We can give you a very neutral advice about voice over IP phone systems. If you have Office 365, Microsoft Teams deployment, or if you're looking for desktop as a services, this is what we are experts in, and we will be very helpful. So please check it out, and you can call me on 215-253-6996. You can go to our website and you can start a chat here. We will come back to you as fast as we can. And again, thank you very much and have a great day. Thank you.